Wow! Can you believe this? This is like a twin flame energy. Lust, not love. Passion isn't the same as lusting love. See here, paying off debts. So that is also happening in the next few months. Someone's going to sweep you off your feet. This is the next big change. You're either going to, the right one is coming in perfect divine timing. Someone is going through family issue, although it's not in the cards. I'm just having flashes. Got a beautiful card where, you might have a hike or promotion. Hi Atma Namaste, welcome to this reading. This reading is what is the next big change that you can see in your life, and for few of you it can come true within the 24 hours or 48 hours. What is the biggest change you will see, or at least signs of the changes that you will see within the next 48 hours? Let's find out. I've selected a couple of decks here. So let's see what's in store, what is the big change coming. So the first card is feminine energy, gentleness, nurturing, mothering. So for few of you, oh my God, for few of you, it's like a pregnancy revelation. Like few of you are going to be pregnant, and you'll have a nurturing partner. Look at that. That image has a very beautiful energy about your partner and yourself. And this is a big revelation, I think. So you might find yourself in this beautiful energy. The second card is again totally opposite from this. So nightlife, striptease, gamble, and Vegas. So maybe you have a lot of travel to do. You're like becoming completely different. All these days you are in like a shell. You are going to explore. You're going to do whatever you want to do in life. So maybe freedom is the next big change that is coming in your life. This is surprising revelations here. Oh my God. So there is a few of you have a very abusive, unpredictable partner. So psychopath is the card here. This is scaring me. Okay. So anyway, so it is important for you to understand that you might be in for secret revelation, surprises in your life, many mysterious things happening this time around in your life. So for a few of you here, so stagnancy was there in your life. There was a stuck energy, dead end, frozen, and now you will see nightlife. The changes, energetic, vibrant. Your life is just going to change for good, I hope. And but don't get into any addictions, because that's not good, right? We know it. So last one card from this deck, and let's find out what's in store. Oh, masculine energy. There you go. Wow. Can you believe this? This is like a twin flame energy. Maybe you'll meet your soulmate. Masculine energy, feminine energy. So the masculine energy will be authority, discipline, father figure. And here you go, gentleness, nurturing, and mothering. This is the next big change. You're either going to get into a very beautiful divine marriage, pregnancy. You'll find a very beautiful relationship, commitment, and someone's going to sweep you off your feet, be it feminine energy or masculine energy, based on who's watching this video. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's find out what's in store with the other deck now. What's in store for the next big change in your life? Cards are falling. Okay. Rushing. So you can't hurry love. The right one is coming in perfect divine timing. For few of you here, you have not got the person yet, and you have to wait for the divine timing. You cannot cry and stress over this or rush to certain things which are not aligned for you. So wait for the divine timing. It's going to happen pretty soon, I feel. I also have the timeline deck, right? So I will tell you exactly when the big change will happen for most of you. Lust, not love. Passion isn't the same as lusting love. So don't get sucked in, into just this lust. So it's important for you to find love. So if there is something you're like getting lost with multiple partners, or just randomly casually going around with people or dating, you have to stop. That is the message. A big change is coming. You're going to meet a very passionate person. He or she will teach you about love and how to treat your body. Few of you are getting mixed signals. So you don't let others know you are interested. Flirt and be approachable. So you are giving mixed signals, not the other person. You're the one who's giving mixed signals. So you also have to be very careful with your energies and what you convey to people. Okay. So next, let's see what's other big changes coming. Let's see career-wise. I hope some answers come for the next big change. Okay, I hope so. Awesome. We've got the Sphinx card here, and it's mystical power, authority, bear fruit of your labor, or vice versa. I wanted a career reading for you to see what's the big change. And there you go. You have got a beautiful card where, you might have a hike or promotion this time around. Very nice. Let's see what's more. Rainbow, good news, intuition, favorable change, adventure. So few of you here are becoming adventurous. You're traveling, you're changing your company, you're quitting your jobs and taking up passionate projects. And good news is on its way. So whatever court delays or some delays with pregnancy, marriage, or whatever issue you had in life, financial loan, maybe few of you wanted some loan, all of that is going to come to you, and you will see that stuck energy is getting cleared here. Let's see some more cards, one or two. Let's see, this is the card I resonated with. Palm tree, victory, good health, promotion, increment, or power. So whoever is in a very high influential position, you're going to grow furthermore, and you're going to get good positions, and victory is on your side. If you're playing any matches, if you're playing any games, if you're into sports, if you're into chess, whatever is the game that you're playing, you're winning at it. And good health, I also see good health here, which simply means you're going to be able to take good care of you and yourself, your family. And someone is going through family issue, although it's not in the cards, I'm just having flashes. So that family issue is also getting resolved. Land related issues are getting resolved for you. Good health, by what I see here, weight loss or weight gain, whatever is your aim with the health, is also going to happen pretty soon. Wow, very beautiful. Next, let's find out in what timelines these things might happen for you. Think of a question in your mind, like whatever was your issue, when will it happen? When will this big change come true for you? And then see the reading for you. Okay, so for few of you, 9, 18, 27 of this month or next, take your brother or brother-like person's help. So if you do that, you're going to be very successful in whatever endeavors you are thinking about. Next is hurdles in your work, take blessings of sweeper and grandfather. So this is like a remedy which is coming up for you. Wow, I thought timelines, but then you have a remedy as well for yourself. Next, for few of you, your projects will take up until next January. So work on it, be patient, be calm, put in your hard works. Don't worry. For few of you until next July. Okay. Okay. Difficulties in your work, few can take your mother's help as well. So let's find out another 1 or 2 changes that are coming your way in your life. So for people who are spiritually inclined, literally there are joyful moments happening for you. Maybe you see something big in your spiritual or psychic ability or capability. As you can see here, the good you do comes back to you. So whoever is in community where you're helping, you have NGOs, you're trying to help animals, so an unexpected inflow of abundance will come to you. See here, paying off debts. So that is also happening in the next few months. Borrowing wisely or paying off a debt. Sharing your wealth with others or less fortunate. There you go. So this is all in sync with universe's energy. I think it's all divine message. And great sadness that will heal with time. For few of you who've lost people in your life, they have come here as cards, and they're telling you, let go of the past. Personal growth that comes from challenges, healing misunderstandings, being there for those in need. So if you have pain and if you have depression, if you've been through counseling sessions, it's now time to come out of all of that. Take help for yourself and then help as much people as you can in your life, and you will see good things coming to you. That was your soul purpose. And there you go. I'll end it with this last card. Your spirit animal or guide could be lion here. You have a lot of strength in you. Your spirit guides, masters, lords, whoever help us, holy angels, all of them are telling you personal power and assertiveness portrayed with kindness. So you have to have kindness, but have boundaries. Compassion that brings about forgiveness, realizing that you're stronger than you knew. So Maybe there's a lot of personal growth and changes happening. You are developing your intuitions and psychic abilities, and you're changing your career path. Lot of beautiful things are coming your way, and I'm very happy with the reading for you all today. Thank you so much for staying with Unique Tarot 1111 so far, and we are really grateful that these cards are so positive. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. As you know, tarot is purely based on your energies, and claim the readings for it to happen, and be in this energy and think positive. Thank you. Atma Namaste.